In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Touareg key fob. All you'll need to get this done is one CR2032 battery. These are very inexpensive and you can find them online. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. First step here is just to flip out the key. Now we'll be pushing off this back piece of plastic by pushing up on the lip inside where the key just came from. So hold on to the top as that will not be moving. You can squeeze there and just push the back piece off. And if that's a little bit difficult for you, you can take a quarter or a large coin and go in there. Again, hold the top and just twist the coin, which can make it a little bit easier. Now you can see there are these two tabs up towards the top of the device. You just want to push on the battery right in that area. Just apply a little pressure and the battery will come free. And now when you have your new battery and you're ready to put it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And you'll just slide it under those tabs and then click it down into place. Now you can just put the back piece on there, line it up with this button and then squeeze it on there. And if you'd like to verify that you did everything correctly, you can just hit a button and make sure that that indicator light does come on. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your videos, you can check us out here on YouTube. We'll have you covered with a video just like this one. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.